streamando a 6000 bitrate su due canali YouTube, Twitch e Kick, e vedo che il mio consumo in uscita di rete è intorno ai 3 MB e fluttua. Non è una cosa un po' strana? test. So, good morning everyone. I apologize, I was a bit slow today with the stream because I made some mistakes. But it's fine, so let me quickly log in to Unity Hub because I need to do this every day. Don't ask me why. I hope you don't hear too much noise because I'm keeping the window open for 3 minutes. So, Unity, yeah, I mean this thing that I need to log in every day, it's very annoying. Whatever. Okay, so let me share my screen. Nice. I forgot to open Streaming Ninja, by the way. Big mistake. But should be fine. Good. Everything is fine. I think that only one is missing. Let me remove this from here. Yeah. Today I'm streaming also to. So this is Project Saturn, and normally I stream this only on my Saturn channel. So, but this time I'm doing something different. I'm streaming both on my personal account and to the Saturn account. Right. So apparently it's still not quite finding my Saturn project. Yeah, it cannot find it. Maybe I've chosen the wrong shit. Yeah, that's why it took so much time, and then I realized that whoops, it's kind of doomed. Anyway, so I want to remove this source, and can I go by name? Standard. Oh yeah, now it's working. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Great. So let me quickly test. I hope OBS is open. Yes. Let me quickly test the chat. Chat test. Then I do chat test. And then whatever happened here, I'm not sure. I cannot see the chat. Hello? I think that it's getting confused because I'm logged into two accounts. I think this is the reason. Okay, I should have 4 messages and then I promise I'm done. Okay, yeah, that's all good. Oh, some nice and fresh air. So let's start. Let's open Notion. Saturn. Okay. I mean, I know that I was working on the Asteroid, but I still want to show you. This is the ticket I'm working on. I will try to do this. Yeah, basically my tutorial had dummy objects like squares and spheres for testing, but I'm substituting them with proper 3D models. So let's see what we are going to work on today. And I need to close this window because I'm going crazy. Too much noise. Oh, my ADHD cannot handle it. I'm stressed. Ooh. And hyperactive because of my ADHD meds. So last time I finished with the Asteroid 2. I just need one last asteroid. And we hopefully call it a day. So what do I need here? I need this, and then I need another inspector window. Right here, and I need these two for a copy of Asteroid 2. So I duplicate it and I call it Asteroid 3 new. And here we go. We fix this. By the way, they should all be static. Let me write a ticket for this. So this is a mixed task, I guess. But let's see. Move to trash. So I guess should be here. So is it not inside the? Okay, now it's inside. Yeah. All static objects should be marked as static in the inspector, right? This is wrong. Why do I have a sub-ticket? So yeah, this is the task. I think this is polishing because nothing is gonna happen if they are not. I mean, it's performance, right? Polishing means that I either do it or not is fine. Enhancement. Long term, I will stick to polishing. Difficulty trivial, duration short, area of concern, 3D inspector. That's it. Right. Good. So let's go here. Why is it called Asteroid for? Good. So let's start from here. I don't need to know everything. So the Asteroid 3 is somewhere here. Oh, it's here. Wait, are they the same? Okay, new tickets, because I'm confused. Make sure that asteroids should have .prefab files. It's possible that we find only old prefabs in the project. For now, please check it. So yeah, this is a task. This is critical long term. I would call it critical for demo because I want to, you know, some of these things should be done anyway, done well, at least for the tutorial. Of concern 3D, yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh, by the way, did I set the... Yeah, okay, never mind, sorry. It was something about Twitch. So what I want to do now is to go, I mean not here. I want to go to Asteroid 2. I should choose to have only one blender. Okay, I have two blenders. Where does the other one come from? I have no idea. I think I installed it because maybe it wasn't the last version. I have no clue. Okay, but this doesn't matter. I'm getting distracted. So let's open with any of this. Okay, so this is Asteroid 2. Okay. And then I want to open Asteroid 3. Yeah, there are definitely different asteroids. Okay. Right. So here I need the elongated shaped ones, which is this. And I also need copy component. And the mesh render is the mesh render. So sphere collider. I need to adjust it 1 second. I need to see it first. Okay, maybe not. I will do this later. Then we do name attribute. Place values. Destructive or on, or let's make sure that they are on the same order. So audio model, rig model, wait a sec. Right. Wait, I'm making a mistake. The usual, Mario, the usual. Okay. So I should have Asteroid 3 here, please. 6, and then I want Asteroid 3 new here. So, and the rigid body is not there. It's okay. So we have 3, 5 scripts, and here we have 6 with a no flight zone. Yeah, because this is the new one. Okay. I don't even think that I need a sphere collider for this. I will try it later. I will actually make a ticket for this. Province, well, not necessary. Okay, I forgot to place the ID here. It's KC 100, and it should be KC 13, and this is KC 14. Okay. Okay. So let's copy the component here and we paste it here to the new one. Then we need to select the right mesh, which is not this. It's this. Sphere collider, we'll deal with it later. Name attributes, copy components, destructible ownable objects, paste component values, ship attributes, audio model, so sorry, degree, rig model, and no flight zone, I will fix it. Okay. Right. So great. So now I need to go to level specific game flow work, and I need to find so the asteroid tree we used here. And that's it, I think, right? I know. But I think that's it. So I can just can I open all of them? Only one by one. So before I delete it, I will make sure. I will make sure that they have the same values. Very quickly. Well, this should be called Asteroid 3. Okay. Sounds good. So we delete this, we change the name, and now what I want to do is show it. Maybe I can also compare the size with the other one. Or they have the same position. Are you kidding me? Well, since I would actually make this way bigger. I don't think I need a sphere collider here. But no flight zone, yes, I need it. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect, guys. You know, it should be in the center, but I don't care. Good. So now we just need to test the game.
Commander, we've intercepted a faint distress signal from a vessel in a nearby asteroid field. We don't know what happened or why they went silent, but we need answers. Your mission is simple: locate the ship, assess the situation and assist them if necessary. Stay sharp, there's no telling what you'll find out there. Good luck.
Neutral unit detected.
Captain, the ship is irreparably damaged.
No vital signs. Captain, the door is blocked. We need to help our commander.
Captain, the flight data recorder is gone.
Damn it, let's take a look around and see what we can find.
Navigation point detected.
Damn it, what was that? Report.
Captain, something exploded close to us.
Hold position.
An asteroid has been detected.
Nothing abnormal. Captain,
An asteroid has been detected.
gas in sight. About to explode.
There's another asteroid with a similar composition.
Let's destroy it.
An asteroid has been detected. Hello? Can I... Okay. There's a problem here. Is any tag missing? Well, this should be an enemy ship, right? And those two, I mean default. They are default. I mean, they are shown as neutral ships. Oh, not really. No, I mean it's different. Neutral ship from. Not sure. Let's try it. Yeah, some of these things are very confusing.
Commander, we've intercepted a faint distress signal from a vessel in a nearby asteroid field. We don't know what happened or why they went silent.
How can we make sure the tags are aligned with the UI? Align object game object tags with the UI position. Align. Game object data, the UI based on the tag. I noticed that sometimes there is an consistency between what's shown in the UI and the tag. I think this is kind of intended, but I don't quite remember. I didn't want to make another, visualize them in a different way, because that's kind of not necessary at the moment. So, forgot to do this, remove sphere colliders and rigid bodies, not necessary. Yeah, that's a task. Polishing, yeah. Trivial, short, 3D, inspector, and this is a task. I'm not sure if this is a bug or a feature right now. So maybe mark it as a bug, rather as a bug. But critical for the demo, because I need to check it as soon as possible. I'm also aware that I need to do tons of refactoring. Okay. Okay, let's go and test this.
Damn it, what was that? Report.
Captain, something exploded close to us.
Hold position. Nothing abnormal. Captain, gas inside. About to explode.
There's another asteroid with a similar composition.
Let's destroy it.
An asteroid has been detected. An asteroid has been detected. An asteroid has been detected. Right? Going away, I'm not sure why. Let me. This should be destroyed by this time. And but it doesn't work because it doesn't have a. It doesn't work because it doesn't have a sphere collider. Okay, that's one of those cases where I need a sphere collider. Well, honestly, validation, so another task. Game objects marked as enemy ship should have a collider. This should be fairly easy. But again, is this a bug fix or? I think it's an improvement. But I still want this before the demo. So trivial. Short, yes. And then area of concern. So this is inspector 3D, maybe refactoring probably, because I need to change some code. Yeah, I think so. I mean, you know what, in the end I can just leave it here and do this. Anyway, I would like this collider to be convex, yeah. Rather convex. Right? Kinda cool, you know? It's not too bad. I need to do something about this mesh. Into this material, rather. Alright, not quite there. There is a problem. Yeah, but this is working? Like, what? I'm super confused with these asteroids. But at this point, yeah, what can I do? It's okay. Good. So now I need to try again if it works, and yeah.
Commander, we've intercepted a faint distress signal from a vessel in a nearby asteroid field. We don't know what happened or why they went silent, but we need answers. Your mission is simple. Locate the ship, assess the situation, and assist them if necessary. Stay sharp. There's no telling what you'll find out there. Good luck.
Right. Okay, let's test. I mean, this should be hidden. Neutron unit detected.
Captain, the ship is irreparably damaged.
No vital signs. Captain. Captain, the door is blocked. We need to help our commander.
Captain, the flight data recorder is gone.
Damn it. Let's take a look around and see what we can find.
Navigation point detected.
Damn it. What was that? Report.
Captain, something exploded close to us.
Hold position.
An asteroid has been detected.
Nothing abnormal. Captain.
An asteroid has been detected.
Gas inside. About to explode.
There's another asteroid with a similar composition.
Let's destroy it.
An asteroid has been detected. Okay, am I hitting something or? Nope. Is this because I have no rigid body? Why did I stop it? I think this might be the reason why. Well, yeah. No gravity, thanks. I think this is the time where it works. So yeah, like
Commander, we've intercepted a faint distress signal from a vessel in a nearby asteroid field. We don't know what happened or why they went silent, but we need answers. Your mission is...
Cannot hear this voice after years of working on it. Okay, stop. Scan. Scan. Go away. And hit. Still not working, my friend. drive away. Okay, now there is another bug. So when move to command is issued, then remove the runaway from command. This is definitely a bug. Critical because it just how can I say this? Impacts the pathfinding. I mean, I can see why it's useful to have it there, but there could be some issue. It makes sense to keep the runaway command if the movement target is different than the run away object. Right, but for the moment I'm going to delete this. Because I want to shoot this guy, and just to make my life easier, maybe I don't quite understand, so oh, maybe there was another collider in the middle. Yeah, that's the thing with colliders. Let me write a comment on the ticket. Keep in mind that objects who don't require a collider might be traversed by projectiles. You know, there are all these corner cases, we could say, that we need to take care of, but it works, so we can merge it. This should be simple and quite short, but I would say maybe medium because I need to think about the solution. So yeah, this is 3D script, definitely. Right. But when it comes to the rest, everything is done. It works. What what I want to do now is to call this Asteroid 1, and this is going to be Asteroid 2 and 3. All good. You know, because what if I don't want these guys to have HP? Yeah, I mean, that's why, how can I say this? It's difficult. It's very difficult to work things out. Right now, I feel like I have too many scripts. I mean, it's fine, but I don't know. Because it's separation of concern, mind you, so it's good. But at the same time, I'm like, why would I need this for myself? Why would I want this for myself? So what the fuck was I gonna do? External tools. While it's loading, I'm just curious to see if there are any spectators. I don't know where I can see the spectators on Twitch. I have no clue. Just type "I'm here" if you're there. Let's make it simple. Right. So far so good. Cool. So I need to do this. And so I made different change. So this is KC. So Asteroid 1 isn't named base Asteroid anymore. Then each all asteroids have different yeah. Oh, also another thing to keep in mind here, keep in mind that objects like asteroids will be used for scenic purposes, so they don't need colliders or rigid body. Okay, so all asteroids have different 3D object. This is actually false, but I don't care. I can take care of the asteroids at another moment. Actually, let's make a ticket for this, because I'm gonna forget for sure. So asteroids 1, 2, 3 should have different 3D objects and materials. This is KC108. So this is a task, more like polishing, I guess. Difficulty, I guess it's manageable because I need to work with Blender and it's been a long time. Time might be medium to long, I think it depends. It depends. I will write wrong because I'm long, because I'm rusty. So this is 3D inspector. Can I add a new one? Blender. Okay. New tag. Then what did I do? I did take any note. So this is more like bug fix. Created days. I mean, I had a commit with this. So I think that's it. That being said, this feature is finished, right? It is. So status is done. And now what I would like to do is to squash commits, because I make different commits every time. So let's do tag imp. It exists. Okay. And so substitute so this is yeah, definitely KC 27. So I mean, I think it makes sense that they are different, actually. Maybe I want to edit commit message, yeah. Yeah, I should remember to use the ticket name. Including fixed missing references. So this should have not been part of this task, but you know, you do things, and unfortunately stuff happens. Asteroid 2 uses the base asteroid. Okay, well, I can squash them. Asteroid 2 and 3 have. Right, so at this point, what I can do, so again, I have a TMP tag here. Very dangerous stuff. Be careful, guys. I will force push development. So like, wait a second. So because I'm not using the Unity thing, the Unity version control, I need to be careful. I only want one commit. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, yeah, there is no way I can do this. Just need to squash all of them. I forgot, because I just want one commit for each one commit for each task or branch. Yeah, so, but I cannot have the history, unfortunately, so created new base asteroid prefab. Tech stack update. This shouldn't be here, actually. Bug fix. Player shape nav.1. Trigger. So create base asteroid. It has a prefab. Prefab can be used with object. Yeah, so this is also a feature. The text tab update should be on top because it's very important. Update dependencies. Because of Unity version migration. Alright. So now there is no need to force push. I can just push. No. No, yes, exactly. Yeah, no go because yeah, origin dev is here. So now I need to go to reset range to here. I won't lose the change because I have a tag. And now I force push. So I can move this tag from here to here. And only then I can reset local dev to here and then push without forcing. Cool. Something that kind of concern me is exactly that I cannot use the Unity version control. Since now it's free, it would be great if yeah, I don't really have to do this stuff anymore, like this jingling. However, okay, it's pushed. I'm not sure what this referential solution is. I should test it one more time. You never know. However, what's the problem? The problem is that when I click here, I do login, and nothing happens. So that's the problem. Because I'm currently logged in. Just to be precise, you know, I'm telling you. But yeah, I'm not sure. So Unity Linux sign up Unity VCS, nothing happens. Okay. I want to use Unity VCS on my Mint installation, but when I click then nothing happens. So let's see. In the meantime, oh shit. This should be first problem. Okay. Right. Another bug has been found. So I need to open my browser first. Log into Unity ID website. Unity ID website. Okay.
Commander, we've intercepted a faint distress signal from a vessel in a nearby asteroid field. We don't know what happened or why they went silent, but we need answers. Your mission is simple. Locate the ship, assess the situation, and assist them if necessary.
If launched.
Stay sharp. There's no telling what you'll find out there. Good luck.
Sometimes means GUI. Settings don't stick to third-party apps. You can force the default handler using wait. Okay. Let's test this and then we go next with the VCS issue. Neutral unit detected.
Captain, the ship is irreparably damaged.
No vital signs. Captain. Captain, the door is blocked. We need to help our commander.
Captain, the flight data recorder is gone.
Damn it. Let's take a look around and see what we can find.
Navigation mode detected.
Damn it. What was that? Report.
Captain, something exploded close to us.
Hold position. Nothing abnormal. Captain, gas inside. About to explode.
And an asteroid has been detected.
There's another asteroid with a similar composition.
Let's destroy it.
And an asteroid has been detected. And an asteroid has been detected.
Another explosion.
But this time it's causing a chain reaction.
Let's leave before getting ourselves killed.
Okay, yeah, it works, no big deal. I just need to save this bug fix. Asteroid 3 is inactive, but let's start. Right. We will carry this over, with the carry this over with the next ticket. So if I want to fix this thing with the VCS, I'm suggested to use this command. Yeah, I mean, what's can you give me some choice? Okay. Yeah, I mean, I cannot see the terminal. That's the issue. Check missing dependencies. Okay. What? Okay, in the meantime, let's see if I can do this. Nope. Is there a terminal? Okay, let's close Unity. What else? Flatpak app image quick. I mean, the Unity is taken from here. Did I? No. Okay, I need to move this to another window. Let's start Unity. Apparently that thing is sort of output, like a console. Nothing happens, okay. If you're using a very strict firewall or VPN, are we sure about this? I mean, I can disable it for 1 second. Okay, nothing happens. That's yeah, that's one of the things that I really dislike about Linux. I'm sure this works on Windows. I'm sure there is a problem with permissions. Okay, it's just telling me to restart my computer. I downloaded Unity Hub from the website and pretty sure. You know what, fuck it. I think this is very boring for you, so I'm not gonna bother you with this. Also, it's basically lunchtime for me, so I need to stop streaming anyway. However, what do I want to say next? Yeah, let's set this guy as a bot. And can I delete the comment? The message, yes. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna have lunch soon. it is what it is. After I stopped streaming, I tried to see if I can work this out very quickly. And yeah, please subscribe and like if you like the streaming, and please comment. Let me know if you have the same issues on Windows, if you're using Windows, or how you solved this problem on maybe Ubuntu, because Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. And yeah, also let me know how you deal with all these issues that I'm finding. You know, I'm using a board to track them up, but sometimes I feel like I'm using too many scripts. And from one side, this is not bad per se, but one side of my mind says, well, you know, it's you can just have one script that handles everything. I mean, you can divide, you know, scripts. This is not a problem. You can have one big component, and then you have separate classes doing different things. So that's what I mean. And yeah, let me know how you handle these cases. For the rest, yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you probably after lunch, I guess. Bye bye.